Good afternoon. We are on the record. Today is July 30th, 2020. The time is 3:02 p.m. Welcome to today's meeting of the New York City Business Integrity Commission. We are conducting this meeting via telephone conference pursuant to Executive Order 202.1, issued by Governor Andrew Cuomo, permitting the attendance of public meetings telephonically under Article 7 of the Public Officers Law. This is a public meeting which was duly noticed for today's date at 3:00 p.m., along with the dial-in information for the phone conference. This meeting is being audio recorded, and the recording and meeting minutes will be posted on BIC's website in a timely manner following the conclusion of this meeting. I am David Feldman, Deputy Commissioner of Legal Affairs and General Counsel for the Commission. I am joined by the following Commission members: Noah Janelle, Commissioner and Chair of the Business Integrity Commission; Department of Sanitation Commissioner Catherine Garcia; Department of Investigations Commissioner Margaret Garnett; Department of Consumer and Worker Protection Commissioner Laura Lee Salas; Deputy Commissioner for Legal and Regulatory Affairs Andrew Schwartz of the Department of Small Business Services, representing SBS Commissioner Greg Bishop; and Captain John Dusanenko of the New York City Police Department, representing Police Commissioner Dermot Shea. Thank you all for being here today.
One correction, SBS is Commissioner Janelle Doris.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
That's Andrew Schwartz, representing SBS Commissioner Janelle Doris.
Correct.
Today, the Commission will consider two applications which the Commission staff have recommended be denied. One, Lou's Fish Market, Inc., and two, LMC Trucking Corp. Lou's Fish Market, Inc. submitted an application to renew a registration to operate as a wholesale seafood business, and LMC Trucking Corp. submitted an application to renew an exemption from the licensing requirements to operate as a trade waste business. The applicants were each served with a notice of the grounds to recommend the denial of their application. They were advised that they had 10 business days to submit a sworn written response to the Commission. Lou's Fish Market, Inc. submitted a response on June 30th, 2020, and LMC Trucking Corp. submitted a response on July 11th, 2019. The Commission carefully considered the applicants' responses. On July 27th, 2020, we emailed to the Commission members the recommended denial decisions regarding the applications at issue. There have been no material changes made to the recommended denial decisions since then. The Commission will now consider the recommended denials. For each application, the Commission members will vote as to whether or not to adopt the staff's recommendation to deny the application. A vote of yes is a vote to adopt the staff's recommendation. A vote of no is a vote not to adopt the recommendation. The first recommendation is for Lou's Fish Market, Inc. The staff attorney in charge of this matter is Executive Counsel Spiros Moustakis. The Commission staff has recommended denial of this application based on the following three grounds as fully set forth in the staff's recommendation. One, Lou's Fish Market and its principal have been convicted of multiple felonies related to the handling of seafood. Two, the principal of Lou's Fish Market has been convicted of multiple racketeering offenses. And three, Lou's Fish Market and its principal have engaged in numerous acts prohibited by the Commission's rules and regulations. Before we move on to voting on this denial decision, I ask that everyone state their name prior to speaking so that the record can clearly attribute each vote or any questions or comments to the correct speaker. At this time, I ask that each Commissioner and designee unmute their phones to participate in the voting process. Do any of the Commissioners have any questions or comments regarding the application? Hearing none, is there a motion from the Commissioners to adopt the staff's recommendation?
So moved, Catherine. Second, Garcia.
I'm sorry, I heard so moved. Was that Commissioner?
Salas. Yes.
Commissioner Salas moved, and is there a second?
Second, Commissioner Garcia.
Thank you. I will be calling on each commissioner and designee to collect votes. Commissioner Janelle?
Yes.
Commissioner Garcia?
Yes.
Commissioner Garnett?
Yes.
Commissioner Salas?
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner Schwartz?
Yes.
Captain Dusanenko?
Yes.
Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous. The next application to consider is LMC Trucking Corp. The staff attorney in charge of this matter is Executive Agency Counsel and Director of Hearings Amy Bedford. The Commission staff has recommended denial of this application based on the following 3 grounds as fully set forth in the staff's recommendation. 1, the applicant failed to provide truthful information to the Commission in connection with several applications. 2, the applicant's undisclosed principal is an associate of the Gambino organized crime family and conducted trade waste-related business with members of organized crime. And 3, the applicant has admitted to defrauding a trade waste union by paying employees in cash and failing to pay union benefits. Again, I ask that everyone state their name prior to speaking. Do any of the commissioners have any questions or comments regarding this application? Hearing none, is there a motion from the commissioners to adopt the staff's recommendation?
So moved. Margaret Garnett, DOI.
Thank you. And is there a second?
Second, Catherine Garcia, DSNY.
Thank you. And once again, I will be calling on each commissioner and designee to collect votes. Commissioner Janelle?
Yes.
Commissioner Garcia?
Yes.
Commissioner Garnett?
Yes.
Commissioner Salas?
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner Schwartz?
Yes.
And Captain Dusanenko?
Yes.
Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous. That concludes the matters before the Commission. The denial decisions will note each commissioner and designee's vote today. Thank you to the Commission members for their participation and to the members of the Commission staff for their hard work on these matters. Thank you also to any members of the public who attended this telephone meeting today. We are off the record.